Established in 1982, Solaris Group has rapidly established itself as a leading developer in Surat, Gujarat. Each project is an amalgamation of acumen, vision, experience, and the finest craftsmanship. From retail destinations, offices, trade centers, and more, each real estate space has been envisioned to serve your needs with the most luxurious offerings that will stand the test of time. With expertise in construction and management, Solaris Group's capabilities include design, construction, redevelopment, sales and property management. The Solaris Group, founded by Hitesh Rohera, is passionate about real estate and development with a commitment to excellence. Bringing further expertise and technical acumen, Jitesh Rohera joined the Solaris Group in 2019. Under the mentorship of real estate magnate Prakash Chandra Rohera, the Solaris Group has grown from strength to develop 4 million square feet in Surat. As a group, Solaris prides itself on being the developer of choice for doctors and professionals in the medical field. Solaris Royce is one such success story located at Majura Gate, catering to the medical field. Solaris has become the partner of choice for the medical fraternity with successful landmark projects like Solaris Universal Hospital, a 200-bed hospital, and Solaris Athena, an upcoming project at Atwa Lines. Solaris Group's attention to detail and exemplary world-class spaces have caught the eyes of retail giants like the Aditya Birla Group. They have invested in Solaris and leased 26,000 square feet at Solaris Bay View. Taking the association further, they have invested in Solaris Code at VIP Road to increase their retail footprint in Surat for their brands. After the grand success of Solaris Bayview at Piplod and Solaris Code at VIP Road, Solaris Group is coming with another luxurious corporate project at Vesu VIP Road, Solaris the Future. Catering to your commercial real estate needs is the Solaris Group's forte, with benchmark examples like Solaris Oracle, which houses a 4-story Vijay Sales mega store, and Solaris Cube, that will house the 2 floors office of Reliance Industries. Solaris Group has set itself apart from the competition by delivering quality and ROI on time. With over 41 years of experience in commercial real estate projects, 20 projects completed, 2,600 happy clients and a qualified staff of 35. Solaris Group's properties are made with imported and durable materials, offers luxurious feel and look, attractive elevation, and are well maintained in perpetuity. Choose Solaris Group for your commercial real estate needs and experience the excellence like never before.